Favor Dorsey assails Slayton and the Jews. So the Jews have always been law-abiding, he said, but when it comes to convicting one of their people, that's when they're against it. Well, how about this? The Fur and Leather Workers Union was Jewish workers, and their leadership was Murder Incorporated, mainly Jewish assassins, Mendel Arelis, Bo Weinberg, okay? So the government, under the guise of attacking the mob, attacked the union. Workers wisely stood up and drove the government off. Then they had a secret caucus, and they took these gangsters and threw them outside the second-story window. They didn't die, but there are pictures of them in Philip Foner's book lying on a sidewalk. They never came back to that union again, and the union restored workers' democracy and a militant foreign policy. A militant trade union class struggle type policy that was kissing the behind of the Democratic Party. Now, I give critical support to Jewish mobsters that beat up Nazis in New York and in Minneapolis. I preferred the model that the Teamsters in Minneapolis, who had Trotskyist leadership, called for armed union defense guards, and they stopped the silver shirts that way. But I could give critical support if a Jewish mobster, instead of breaking a strike, wants to break a Nazi's head, but they were warned not to kill them. You could beat the crap out of them, but you can't kill them. And there were massive pro-Nazi movements in the United States at that time. That's why you can't identify even Jewish mobsters with Nazis, because they would have been executed by the Nazis too. Now, I certainly think I'm against individual terrorism and criminality, but I don't identify it with a movement where the middle class and lumpen proletariat are used to mobilize and crush the working class. That's and in the secret pay of the capitalist class. That's a different phenomena, and we shouldn't mix metaphors.
Okay, thank you. And program is finished. If you guys want to stay and
Thank you all
talk,
for coming. It was great.
thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.